Welcome back everyone. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can automatically add subtitles to your videos. So the best part about this is you get your videos completely watermark free and in full HD. So for this, I'm going to use Kapwing, which is an amazing online editor, and just sign up, and in the free plan itself, you get to do all this amazing stuff. So just start a new project and then upload a video, or you can start with a blank canvas. So in this, I'll just upload a video because I've already recorded it. So it's a sample recording. This is a sample shot. Welcome back. So we are Text Club and we bring to you tech news and tutorials. So as you can see, that's a 6-second sample that I've just recorded. So I'll just go ahead and upload this. And the upload is happening in the background, but you can go ahead and edit all the stuff here. But for this video, we're going to focus on the subtitles part. So I'll go to subtitles tag here. And here you get this option which says auto generate. So just click that and choose the language. So in my case, it's English India. So I'll just go ahead and choose that. And I'll click on auto generate. And this will use artificial intelligence in the background to generate what you have just spoken in the video. And this feature of Kapwing is still in its beta stage. So you cannot expect amazing results from it. But from my usage, I found it works pretty much good. So as you can see, the subtitles are already generated, and let's go ahead and play this and then we'll talk about it. This is a sample shot. Welcome back. So we are Text Club and we bring to you tech news and tutorials. So as you can see, it worked pretty much good except for the part where the name of the channel is. So names and all won't work pretty much good in this artificial intelligence tech. But as you can see, I just have to click on this part here and just rename it to the correct name. So there you go, it's done, and the rest of the thing came out pretty much good. And the best part is you can go ahead and change the styling of this text here. So let's say I don't like Arial font, I can just go ahead and choose Helvetica, and the font size is too big, so I'll change it to something like 14. That looks good. Yeah, I'll remove bold also. And then you can also go ahead and change the color properties and all. So let's say I want black color, so I choose black, and I'll change the background of this to white, so that way you can see it. And also you can change completely remove the background or add a full background for this bottom part. So those are the different things you can do. And let's say you're not satisfied with the subtitles that were auto generated here, all you can do is just upload the particular video to YouTube. I think YouTube's automatic caption works much better. So once you've uploaded it, just save it as a unlisted video, then automatic captions would be generated, and then you just go ahead and choose the video. Basically got to go to YouTube Studio, and on the left side just choose subtitles, click on the video that you want the subtitles for or what you just uploaded, and you'll be able to see that the subtitles are auto generated. All you have to do is just click on these 3 dots and choose download and choose SRT as the format, and that would basically download the SRT file for you. Now simply come back to Kapwing and you have an option which says upload SRT. So click on that and just choose the SRT file here. So I just click on the SRT file, I click open, and since this is not the right video for the SRT, it shows some issues here. As you can see, that is another way to get the auto generated subtitles. So once you feel everything is good, all you have to do is just come back to the editor. So back to editor studio, and then you find this option which says export video. But before that, just go to settings. Here by default it will be in 720p, but if you want 1080p, just click on high, and that's it. Just close it and click on export video. So here the rendering of the video starts. So this would take a couple of minutes, and once it's done, you'll be able to download the video. So there you go, you can actually see the preview of the generated video, and all you have to do is click on download, and that's it. Your video gets downloaded, and this is completely in HD and without any watermark. That's it for this video, guys. Stay tuned for more such videos.
And as always, if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.